Hello guys. So yeah, now I'm wearing yukata because today I went to Matsuri, and Matsuri is Japanese festival, so that's why I'm wearing yukata. Yeah, but I'm not Japanese. Anyways, so I thought it would be fun if I'm just not changing, wearing yukata and make tutorial videos. So yeah. So this is third time. So we're going to explore a crucial aspect of the Python programming language: conditional statement and control structures. Yes, so today we will learning like if, elif, else, and for and while. To begin with, let's understand if statements for conditionals. So if statements are this flower pretty like bothering my it's kind of itchy. So I lost. If statements are used to control the flow of a program based on conditions, like okay, for example, age equal 18. So here, if age bigger or equal 18, print you are an adult. In this example, we print you are an adult if the age variable is 18 or older. Utilizing elif and else. So elif and else allow us to create more complex conditional statements. So here's an example. If age is smaller than 18, print you are a minor. And else if age equal 18, print you just turned 18. And else print you are an adult. So else is really like none of those. So in this example, different messages are printed based on the value of the age variable, using for and while loops for iteration. So now let's learn about loops using for and while to perform repetitive tasks. Loops are used when you need to execute code multiple times. So like okay, here for loop. So for I in range 5. So print iteration I. So let's think about it. Like, so for I in range 5, so it will be like just making imagine in your head there's a loop and going back, and print I. And while loop. So count equals 0 and while count. So 5. Print iteration and count. And then count plus equal 1. Yes, the count plus 1 and still the number is smaller than 5. And plus 1 and go up. And the count still smaller than 5 and repeat, repeat, repeat. And then what happened? You know the answer? So in the example book, you use for and while loops to print message repeatedly. So now let's run this code and learn how to display the output of each conditional and loop on the screen. Voila! So if, elif, else, for, and while. So we've now learned the basic of conditional statements and control structures. Yeah, you followed really well. In our next video, we will dive into functions and modules. Stay tuned for more learning. So thanks for watching and see you guys next video. Bye.